Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhassa. What's wrong? What's wrong? So meditator here, where he contemplates the body, he should contemplate each kutasa with pi aspect, with the pi aspects. So the pi aspect, we are not going to study all those aspects, all those kutasa with all pi aspects. Only one, we will study only one as a sample. So I want you to read somehow we know in Atagata. So the pi aspects of the kutasa. Only one aspect I'm going to tell you. Wana, the wana. If we know that wana, we also can contemplate as the color, as color gasina. So we can contemplate as color gasina instead of contemplating it as repulsiveness. So we can contemplate this. These 32 parts of the body as repulsiveness. We can contemplate it as the meditation object, the kala galagasina. The kala, then we can also contemplate it as anicca dukkha anatta, both samatha and vipassana. Now we are going to study only one as a sample. So the gesa, just as a sample. Okay, Tadraya Pupa Kutta Sesu Anupagata. Anupagata. So Amadi Wana Santana Kanda Asaya Okasa Amadi 5 aspect. Amadi 5 aspect. Sapa Kutta Sesu e all Kuttasa. Anupagata. The Anupagata. The explanation. Explanation or the explanation process, we can say, the explanation process. So, Kesa Tawa, firstly, Madi 32 parts of the body. Firstly, Kesa here, Pagati Wanena, the original color of the Kesa, Kalaka here, black. Sri Lanka, here, you need the commentator come from Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, there are no people who has white color hair. So all the people there have black color. That's why he said here, Kalaka Pagdi Wanena Kalaka, Ada Ritaka Wana. So Ada here, wet. Ritaka, Ada Ritaka, referred to the wet, rosary bead. Rosary bead, where we call rosary bead, Araha, 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 Araha. Where we recite Araha what time? We call one bead. We call it rosary bead. Just like the wet rosary bead here. Sadhana door, the shape or the color of the hair. Tika watalika, tika long, wata round. Now, long a round form. The form of the hair is long a round. Tula data santana, he gave many example here. Each Kotasa commentator gives many example. Yatula data santana, just like a scale handle, scale, measurement, scale is a measurement. So just like scale handle there. Disato uprimaya disaya jada. So according to the location, the head hair grows, the uprimaya desire, the grows above the hair, or the head. Uprimaya jada grows, or line, it lines above. Okasato, the okasato, disa, direction, okasa, the place. Ubosu pasesu kana julika hi. Kana julika, kana here, kana the ear. Kana julika, for the ear, see both ear, above. Ubosu pasesu junaka likahi. Purato, nalata ade, nalata me forehead. At the end of the forehead. So this is just explain, Pajato, Kalawatake. Pajato, the back, you see here, Kalawataka, it is called Kalawat, the back, what do you call, the back neck, Prachina is bound. The hair is bound from here, from two ear side, from forehead, the back, here, the back neck. Sisa kataha vedana, it ablows, the ablows or cover the sisa katala, it is scale of the head. Ala chama kisana ogaso, so the scale of the head is also wet. The wet, here, the place of the kisa is or the wet of the scale. Prachita do kesa sisa udana jame. Now kesa, the head has sisa udana jame. It's the wet scale. We have gamata. We have me the paddy. No, we have got the tip of the paddy. About the tip of the paddy, puisidua, it enter into the scale about the tip of the paddy. But it didn't hit below atano mula talena, below it exit or it grow atano mula talena, at the root, its own root. Upri akasena, the direction, above the hair, there is akasa. Tiriya anya manyana prachira, particularly they are bounded for each other. Dvekeso ekadonati. So one root of the hair, only one head grows there. Aya savaga prachiro. This is the meditation by the simile. Savaga. So the head hair is nothing, he just explained where the head is, the color of the head, the place. So 5 kinds of aspect here: the color, the shape, the direction, the place, the separation. The kesa not loma separation here. Kesa not loma. Kesa is not loma. The head, body hair are different. Kesa not loma, not kesa. The head hair also not as the body hair, also not the head hair. There are many 31 kotasa also. Amesikata is not missing. Now the 31, each kotasa does not mix with each other. Kotasa exist separately. Kesa is not loma, loma is not kesa. Kesa is not Nakha is not kesa. So in this way, they are to be separated. Kesa nama pati ko kuthaso. Kesa is a particular kuthasa. Loma also is a particular kuthasa. Nakha also is a particular kuthasa. Aya Vibhaṅga preached or Vibhaṅga, this similarity. So the separation or dissimilarity or classification or dissimilarity of the kuthasa. Ida kesana wanadito wawutabana. This is the specification of kesa, etc. as to kala, etc. So ida pana nesa wanadi wasina pajada particular do wawutabita ban. So these five aspects should be specified as to the repulsiveness, or the kuthasas are classified or specified as to repulsiveness in 5 ways. The 5 ways here, kesan cha namete wanatopi particular ete kesa nama. Kesa cha namete nama ete kesa nama. Ete kesa nama. Wanatopi particular, it is discussed as color. The color of the kesa is discussed particular, repulsive. Gandha topi, the smell of the kesa also repulsive or disgusting. Sayadaw, the place where the kesa comes also the disgusting. Ogasa topi particular. Ogasa topi, the ogasa, the direction of the kesa also disgusting. Manonyepi he to be explained further. Manonyepi. Manonye, that means the kesas are desirable. Manonyepi, because everyone love their head hair. The head hair is desirable, makes the mind happy, that is manonya. Yagupatewa, Badapatewa, Kesamada, Kesawana, Keiji Diswa. So if here, Yagupada, the bow or the Yagu, if the hair fall into the hair of the Yagu, Badapate, if the hair falls into the bone of the rice bone. Kesawana, Keiji Diswa. See any color of the kesa. Kesa wana keji deswa. Kesa mida. Kesa miska ida. Now ida this kesa miska. Mixing with the kesa. Head hair. So sometimes you can see the head hair in the food you are eating. In the place where you are mixing with the food there. Kesa mida ida. This is mixed with the food. Haratana, please remove it. Haratana, remove, and here, Harata, remove it. Siko chadi, they discussed. Even the hair, you like your hair, your head hair, even you love it very much. But when you see the head hair in your plate, so you feel very disgusting. That's why you ask the others to remove it. To remove it. Ewa kesa wanato particular. In this way, the kesa is discussed as color. The color of the kesas is discussed. Rate puja topi, where you take me at night. Yeah, puja topi. Rate puja topi, where one takes his meal at night. Kesa Santana Aka Wakawa Makaji Wakawa. Waka here the fiber or the waka here refers to the fiber, the string, string, the fiber, the string. So Aka Waka Makaji Waka. So the string of the Aka, the string of the Makaji, the fiber of the Aka, the fiber of the Makaji. Supidwa touch where one eat at night. So they did not see. They're just touching, touches something like a head hair, touches something there. That is no head hair. That is something like a string. That is the Bible or the aga e magaji. Aga magaji, the Bible of the tree here. Aga also one of the tree, one of the plants. Magaji also one kind of the plants. The Bible of the plants. Tatewa Jiko Chandi. Even though you don't see with your mind where you are taking the meal at night, say you touch something like a head hair. Now you touch the Bible or the plants, just like head hair. So you feel very disgusted. You think it is head hair. It was Santana do particular. Santana, the form of the head hair, because particular disgusted. Even though you do not see with your eye, when you touch it, you think it is Kesa. Now the form of the Kesa is also disgusting. So you try to remove it, even though it is not Kesa, because you think that is Kesa. Now the form or the shape of the hair there, then you feel disgusting. Tela Makana. Tela Makana. Tela Makana smear it with the wine. Tela Makana. Smear with the wine. Sometimes the people you see they smear their head hair with the wine. You see, in order to maintain their head hair, in order to make their head hair heavy, they use coconut wine or any other wine. They pour in their hand. Tela Makana. Popa Dumati Sankara, Popa Duma, Popa the flowers, Duma the ornament, a kind of ornament there, perfume, like a perfume, Popa Dumati Sankara Virhita. So without doing Virhita here, without making any decoration, without making with the flowers, without making with the ornament, without making with the wine. Kesanagado, the smell of the kesa. You don't clean your kesa, you keep it acidic. Your kesa, you don't the smear the wine, the smear the other things, you don't decorate with other things. You don't use one mat. No, you don't use it. The smell of the hair is very, very disgusting. So don't wash your hair. You keep it for 1 week. What happened to your hair? So the ganda, the smell of the hair is very disgusting. If you put it in the fire, so the smell of the hair more disgusting. More disgusting. Agami Pekitana. So if you put them in the fire, so it will be more disgusting. The smell of the geyser is more disgusting. You get the smell there, when you pour in the fire. Right here, right, geyser wana santanato. Wana santanato as to color, as to shape. Abdikula Pisio. Abdikula Pisio. Abdikula may not be disgusting. Wana Satana Do Abdikula Pisio. Now the color of the hair, the form of the hair may not be disgusting. Gardena Pana. Gardena. Gardena Pana particular Ewa. Even though the color when you see the color of the hair, you may not feel disgusting. When you see the form of the hair, you may not feel disgusting. But when you get the smell, of the hair, you feel disgusting. Particularly, the smell of the hair is really disgusting. Yatha here, the example is given. Dharasa kumarasa waja. Waja. Pieces is cream. Pieces of the baby, small baby. They are pieces. Wana to the lady, wana. The color of the pieces of the baby, a lady color, a lady wana. Is yellow, just like a ginger, just like a ginger color. Ginger, just like a ginger color, the color of the baby's pieces, just like a ginger color. Santana Tobi, lady painter Santana. The form of the pieces of the baby also just like the root of the ginger. Have you ever seen the ginger root with the yellow color? So the baby pieces also like that. So Sankaratane is the dust box, dustbin, Sankaratane. Chatitan. So the remove or how to say Chatitan. Sankaratane Chatitan. Putting at the dustbin. Odu Madaka Kala Sunaka Sarira. Odu Madaka Kala Sunaka Sarira. Sunaka Sarira. Now the body of the dog. Sunaka Sarira. Kala. The black body of the dog. Yeah. Kala Sunaka Sarira. The black body of the dogs. Odu Madaka, because swollen, after dying about 2 days, 3 days. So the form of the body of the dog because swollen, because very big. The color also change into black. So wana to tala pana wana. Just like the fruit, the color, the color of the dead body of the dog. Just like the color of the toddy fruits, toddy palm fruits. Toddy palm fruit have you ever seen toddy palm fruit? So not yellow, not black. You see mixing there. Satana to the form or the shape of the what it was is wrong, because where the dead body becomes swallowed, it's become wrong. What it was? We sata mudika sadhana. So mudika sadhana, just here, I don't know how to say mudika, a kind of instrument, musical instrument, mudika. Just like the form of the dead body of the dog, the form, just like a instrument, so a kind of musical instrument there, a kind of musical instrument, just like that. That be asa, the teeth of the dog, sumana makula srisa, sumana makula srisa, just like a sumana flower, sumna flowers. It's white, sumna flowers. Ubhiyapi wana satana dosi abdikulan. So when you look at, if you do not know, if you look at smell, smell of the dead body, you just see the dead body. Wana santana. Who wana is santana? Ubhiyapi wana santana do. Your wana is santana. The color of the dead body is the form of the dead body. See here, abdikula are not disgusting, The color of the dead body of the dogs is not disgusting. The form of the dogs also is not disgusting. Kadina pana, but the smell of the dead body of the dog, padikula mewa, really disgusting, really disgusting. So when you go, if the dog, the dead body of the dogs around there, you will get very, very disgusting smell there. So the smell is disgusting. The color is the form of the dead body. It's not even though it is not disgusting, but the smell of the dead body of the dog is very disgusting. Ewa kesabi siyon wana satana do abdikula. So the kesa, even though the kesa is not disgusting as to color, as to shape, kadinavana abdikula, but the gada, the smell of the kesa is very disgusting. So you have the one who has hair, they will know. But for me, I don't know whether my hair is disgusting or not because I have no hair. So if you keep long hair, if you keep long hair without the washing your hair, so your hair, the smell of your hair also very disgusting. But if you look at from distance, you may not think the hair is disgusting. Now the color, when you see the color, you may not think it is disgusting. When you see the form, you may not think it disgusting. But when you get the smell, you get its smell, the smell will be very disgusting. So yatapana. So let's read only the kesa here. Let me read only kesa. Kesa, how the commentator explained this kesa. That's all. So yatasu asuchitane. Asuchitana, a toilet, asuchitana. Asuchi, the place, asuchi, unpleasant thing. The place of unpleasant thing means is the toilet. Kamanisanena, chadana. Kamanisana, next connected with the village, chadani, grows. The grow here, chadani, kamanis nitisena, nisanena. The grow near the village is the toilet, near the toilet here. Supeya panani, supeya pana, the pana, the leaf to be cooked as curry. Supeya is curry, pana. Here, the supeya pana, the curry leaf, you can say the curry leaf, but these leaves to be cooked. That's why in Pali we say supeya pana. Supeya pana, not cooked leaf, that's not mean cooked leaf. The leaf to be cooked. The leaf to be cooked. The leaf to be cooked grows near the village. Asuchitana, just like a dustbin, not dustbin, they threw everything there, the unpleasant things there, or near the, we say, near the toilet. So there are many plants, many leaves that to be cooked, growing around there. Tato chekujadoro akimi pakitana. Oh, sorry. Grow there. Nagrika Manosana Jikuchani Hundi. So such kind of blood are discussed by the city people. So at that time, the city people did not eat such kind of leaf. But nowadays they use the pieces of the human being as fertilizer. Fertilizer. So the pieces of the pigs, the animals, so they make fertilizer. So those leaves, you see, may grow there. But here, Nagarika Manusana Jago Jani Hundi, the city people are disgusted in such kind of leaf. Abhidhamma, they do not use, they do not eat. Nowadays, it's not it's not correct nowadays. Nowadays, the city people eat all these things, They don't feel disgusted. They just see the leaf. They do not see those things, when the leaf come to the market. They go to the market. Maybe they know or maybe they do not know, that this kind of leaf come from there. So they do not feel disgusted nowadays. But before, they were disgusted in such kind of leaf. Now, every bogani, they do buy. They don't use, they don't eat. But nowadays, people eat. It was kesabi, just like that here, kesabi, the kesa. Popa, lohita, mota, krisa, peta, semadi, nesina, jadada. The krisa grows in our head. Because of grow in our head, connected with the popa, the pus, lohita, the blood, mota, the urine, krisa, the pieces, beta, what is beta? Beta, fern, sema, plaque, are they? So the kesa grows in the hair related to all these things. Without these things, there will be no kesa. Adijekucha, so these things are very repulsive, very disgusting. The kesa grows due to because of these things. So it's very disgusting. Iti nesa Sayadaw particular asaya here, where the kesa come from. The kesa come from these things, like a lohita, popa, lohita, mota, krisa, peta, samadhi. Now the body, the kesa come from all these things. This is called asaya. Asaya. Here the cause of the kesa. How do you say? The cause of the kesa, the place of the kesa. Without these things, there will be no kesa. Because of these kesa, because of these things, there is kesa. Kesa grow due to all these things. Just like a leaf grow near the village. Now near the village, the toilet, around the toilet, there are many leaves, many plants. So the people eat those plants just like that. Those plants are very disgusting for city people. Here also, that is the place of the leaves, the place where the leaves grow. Here also the place where the gesa grows. The place of the gesa. The place where the kesa grow is also disgusting. Imeja kesa nama kutha rasemi, kutha rasi. Kutha rasi, yeah, kutha rasi. The toilet, toilet. Kutha here, how to say, the pieces, the pie of the pieces here. Kesa nama kutha rasemi. Audita kanika wiya. Just like a mushroom. The mushroom grows at the heat of the pieces there, the mushroom, just like that here. Ekadesakutasa rasamichara. It grows due to the 31 parts of the body. Without the 31 parts of the body, there will be no kesa. This kesa grows depending on the 32 parts of the body. Te Susana Sangaratanisu, Susana Cemetery, Sangaratana, mess he, dustbin, how to say, not dustbin, how do you say? Sangaratana, the place, the people put the mess, the dust there. Jata Sagawiya, Saga, here Saga, the vegetable, Jata Sanga, the vegetable grow there. Parikadisu, Puikadisu, Puika here, Puika, that is drain, the drain, is the drain. I don't know how to say. Jadaka palakula wa, Jadaka palakula, palakuwa layadi popawia. Just like lotus flowers. The lotus flowers grows in the drain. There is the water, the mud, the unclean is the unclean water, just like that here. Asuchidanis jadada brahma chikocha. As they grow from the unpleasant place, they are very disgusting. It then is Ogasato. They are the place of the gesa, the place where the gesa grow. So the place where the gesa grow also very disgusting. 31% of the body is the place of the gesa to grow. So these 32% of the bodies are also disgusting. Not gesa here, the place of the gesa. No, not the gesa, the place of gesa. Yathaja gesana, just like not only gesa here, yatasa gesana. The 5 aspects of the kesa. It was about Guttasana, all the Guttasa. So Wana, Santana, Gada, Asaya, all Gasa Wasina, Pachada, 5 aspects here. Pachada, Vavutavedaba should be specified. The 5 aspects of the Guttasa should be specified. Wana Satana Diso Kalaprichara Wasana, Sabibi Gusa, all these also should be specified separately. This is Kesa. So we have to contemplate the Kesa with 5 aspect as repulsiveness. Now we have to contemplate as repulsiveness. According to this, now as repulsiveness. But the Kesa can be reflected, can be contemplated in many ways. Samatha way, Vipassana way. As I told you just now. Loma, body hair, loma. Bhakti Vanado Nakisa, is not just like a kesa. Asa Baina Kalaka, the color, we are going to specify only the colors of the Gotasa here, because so all those are, you can read all those, or you can also read anatomy. So when you read anatomy of all these things, you should classify with 5 aspects, which you should consider with 5 aspects here. Asabena Kalaka. Asabena Kalaka, not only the black. Asabena means not mixing. Not mixing or the color. Not only one color, the only one black. Kesa is not the really black, not really black. Kala pilaka pana hundi kala pilaka. So the not belly black, the color of the hair, body hair, But nowadays you can see the color of the body hair is different from different people. Different people has different color of the loma. So you should know the color of the loma. But in this attakta, the color of the loma specified like this. But we should understand by ourselves. So this is not complete because the commentator was the Asian people. He doesn't know. He did not know the Western people, the color of their head hair, the color of their body hair. He did not know. He had no idea. That's why he comment all these color of the hair, head, body hair. So we should clarify by ourselves the color because we see with our eyes. We see everyone in the world. You see, the Asian people, the Western people. So we can clarify the color of the head, the color of the body hair. So not only the black, but also there are many colors. So we had to clarify the colors of these. Sometimes, you know, we will see the body hair of the other people. That body hair is not like us. You see, the color is different. We have to observe the color. You know, not only the body hair, but also the other body hair at repulsiveness. When you see someone's body hair, so you just contemplate as repulsiveness, as to color, but the color may differ there. Nakha. Nakha, what is nakha here? We see a nakha pattananama. Yeah, we see 20 nakha patta, nail, you know, head nail, foot nail, head nail 10, foot nail 10. But we see, but some they have 11, you know, 11 nails. But here, generally speaking, you know, we have 5 fingers from each side, the 5 toes from each side. That's why we have 20. So there's a baby one of those seta. So whether here, some baby all these nails have the colors of white color. That's not, you see, really right, you know, white color. The white color, the nail, we know very well the color of the nail. So we had to clarify by ourselves here. But even though commentator said the color of the nail is white, or the color of the nail is white, but it's not white actually. No, actually, even my nail now is not white. Not white. You see, tend to pick color, my nail. So he said white color, all has white color. It's not really correct, but we have to classify by ourselves. Dada, Pripona Dada sa, the one who has complete tea. Dwatesa Dada Tikani, there are Dwatesa, 32 teeth, you know, 32 teeth. The one who has complete will have 32 teeth. I don't know whether you have 32 or 34 or 30, I'm not sure. One of those seda. So the color of the teeth are white. This is also not exactly right. See, the color, the original color may be white, but we had different colors of the teeth, you know, not only white color, but mostly the color of the teeth is white, but not all the teeth. Dada. The jaw. What is the jaw here? Sagla Srire. What is the Titas Jama? Jama is the scale that exhale all the body. The finally the body, you know, Tasa Ubri. Kala Sama Pita Diwana. Kala black, yellow, a golden color. So we had different colors. We had to classify by ourselves. So in this case, we should not follow all the attakta here because the color is not here. The color, he said, the color kala, the black, sama, pink, you know, pita yellow. Now pink color sama, we say golden color. Now pita yellow color. So we had different color. Not only black, we also have white color, but he did not say white color here. So especially in India, in Sri Lanka, they have black color. So it's black. But our body scale, our scale is not black. Complexion, we say complex scale, we have complex scale. So the scale of the color of the scale, we have to clarify by ourselves. The masa, yeah. Masa Pesisatana. So Masa Pesisatana, we had Noah, 900 pieces of the Masa. 900 pieces. I don't know those 900 pieces. So you read by yourself. The color here is Sukha Pupa Salisa. Sukha Ratta here, Ratta. Now red color. Masa is red color. But not all masa has red color, as you may know. You know, they have different color. So if you see the red color, you observe as red color. If you see white color, you observe as white color. That's depend. Masa, Naru, Noah Naru Stani, there are also 900 Naru. Naru, Bain or what, sinew. There are 900 sinews. So, I think you know those, I don't know how to call these 900. We have to clarify here the color. So, baby Naru Seta, all the color of sinew is white. I'm not sure. No, I'm not sure. So, we have to make research regarding anatomy. Then we will know clearly the color of these kotasa. Naru, the ati, we have many ati here. Tapedwa dedesa at data tini, apart pro 32 T bone, now apart pro 32 T bone. Jidu sati hata tini, jidu hati, 84 hand bones, hand bones are 84. I don't know how to get 84 here. So you have to make research by yourself. So 84 hair round. Jadu sati pada tini. So 84, 84 back the leg bone also. Jadu sati masa nisida ni mudu atini. Masa nisida mudu ati. The delicate bone, the bone, you see the 84. Dwe pani katini pani, ankle, 2 ankle bone, 2 ankle bone. Ikikas may pade dwe kopukatini, so 2 kopuka here. Kopuka, I don't know kopuka. Each kopuka, there are 2 bones. Kopukati. The janga, the knee, 2 knee bone. You see for each knee, there is 1 bone. The janukati, januka. What is januka? Januka. The 2 bone also janukati. I don't know januka. So dwe urutini chest bone. Urumi chest. Urutini chest bone. 2 chest bone. Dwe katitini katami waist bone. 2 waist bone. Atarasa petikagatini, the 80 backbones. So I don't know those 80 backbones. Jadu wisru pasukatini, so pasuka means rib bone. Rib bone 34. So chudasa uratini, chest bone 14. I don't know. Eka hadiati, so the heart bone is only 1. I don't know what is that. Heart bone. Dwe akikatini, 2 eye bone, eye. Yeah, the eye bone on 2 from each side. Dwe kotatini, kotat means you see shoulder bone, 2 shoulder bone. Dwe bahutini, 2 arms bone. Bahu, you see arms bone. The Dwe, two, akabahutini, the arms bone, the end of the arm bones, I don't know, 2. Satakiwatini, 7 neck bone. So neck bone, I don't know how many. So we have to make research. We have to make research regarding the anatomy. So we will know clearly. So 7 neck bone here. Dwe hanukati, 2 hanuka chest bone here. Dwe nasikati, 2 nose bone. Dwe agati, 2 eyes bone. Dwe kanati, 2 ear bone, kana ear bones. Eka nalatati, 4 head bones, only 1. Eka modati, the head bones, only 1. Nawa sisa kapalati, the skin bone, you see 9 skin bone. The scar here, the skin or the scar, or the, no, sorry, scar or the scar bone, you know, scar. So 9 scar bone, how do you get 9? I see only 1 here. The 9. Ewo timatani 3, atisata 100. 103, that means 300 bones. In our body, there are 300 bones. So how we get 300 bones, I don't know. Whether the commentator knew the anatomy or not, I have no idea. So here he stated here, there are 300 bones in our body. Whether we have 300 bones or not, we have to clarify by ourselves. We have to study anatomy. We have to make research related to this. Otherwise, we are not we will not know clearly. To know clearly all these 300 bones, we have to make research regarding the bones in our body. That's important. But when we take meditation, it's not very important. The bone, just the bone, you know, just the bone. So all the bone, any bones, whenever we reflex on the bone, so we can reflex on any bone as repulse. So sababy, wanato, tani sabani, wanato sedani. So all these bones has the color of white. All these bones have color white, the white color. So white color. Yes, I think so. You know, the bones, the color of the bone is white. So when we contemplate on the bone, whatever bone, you see, doesn't matter, any bone. So you have to contemplate on the bone. So we will not study. We also have studied about this, the Dhatu Vibhaṅga. So these 32 parts of the body, but the aspect we study as the aspect point, you know, pro different points. But here we have to study these things with 5 aspects. With 5 aspects. But the Dhatu Vibhaṅga, we did not study with these 5 aspects. We study another point. So the different points, even though it mentioned in the same book, but a different Vibhaṅga. So all these 32 parts of the body, we had to study from different point of views. Here we had to study from 5 aspects. So depending on those 5 aspects, we have to contemplate as repulsiveness. If we do not know those 5 aspects, we cannot contemplate as repulsiveness. We cannot contemplate them very well. To be able to contemplate them very well, we need to study those 5 aspects of each kutasa. Then we will be able to reflect on it. We will be able to contemplate those, then we will get the other state, Abhidhamma state, the Abhidhamma state. Wow. So I'm not interested, I'm not much interested in these things. How about you? How about you, about these 32% of the body? I think I want to suggest you to read all these things, it dispel our delusion. You see, by reading the dispel of delusion, you may get these 5 points, these 5 aspects, so easily. But here I give you just the information about these 32 parts of the body only, not all 5 aspects, only one aspect, that is wana, the color. So it's important also to know the colors of these 32 parts of the body, then we can contemplate as color gasina. You see, if we see the white one, white color, there you can establish apana, jhana. So if you contemplate the ati, for example, ati as white color, or the color, you know, or the color. So you can attain, you see, up to 5th jhana. But if you contemplate white color as repulsiveness, you will attain only 1 jhana, the 4th jhana. But if you contemplate the color, yeah, the color of the bone here, the color of the bone, then you can attain up to 5th jhana. So different aspect. So the way how you practice, how you contemplate this, that's depend. If you contemplate this as repulsiveness, you will get the 1st jhana. So you will not get the 2nd, the 3rd, the other jhana. So if you contemplate as color only, seda, like the order gasina, as the order gasina, then you will get all kinds of jhana. This is the different way, you know. In the same object, we can contemplate a different way, then we will get different benefits here. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for listening. So let's start our class here. Thanks for listening attentively, even those these are not very interested. Okay, interesting. Buddha Sasana Jira Detetu. Buddha Sasana Jira Detetu. Buddha Sasana Jira Detetu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Sadhu,
Sadhu,
sadhu, sadhu.
sadhu,
Thank you,
sadhu.
Sayadaw.
Thank you so much, Sayadaw.
Okay. How do you think? You see, are you interested?